Here is another problem which was posted on some mathematics pages on the Facebook, uh, and today I am going to solve it. Here the equation is this one, 4 plus under root 15 raised to power x plus 4 minus under root 15 square root 15 raised to power x equals to 8. This is a exponential equations because our variables, our unknown quantity is on the exponents, so it is a exponential equations. And now I am going to solve it. Our aim is to find the value of unknown quantity x. First of all, here we can see two terms. One term is 4 plus square root 15 raised to power x, and the another term is 4 minus square root 15 raised to power x. The both the terms here, by detailing, here we can see the two terms are conjugate to each others. So first of all, we change the two different terms in the same format. Now changing this 4 plus square root 15 in the form of 4 minus square root 15 by taking the its conjugate. So here now 4 plus square root 15 taking its conjugate, 4 minus square root 15, for balancing 4 minus square root 15, and here numerator, in numerator there is the format likewise a plus b into a minus b, and we can use the formula a square minus b square in place of a plus b into a minus b. So 4 square minus square root 15 square in numerator side, and the similarly in denominator side 4 minus square root 15 remains. 4 square is 16 minus square root of the 15 square is only 15, and 4 minus square root 15, this equal to 1 over 4 minus square root 15. So in place of 4 plus square root 15, we can easily write 1 upon 4 minus square root 15. Then the equations will become 1 over 4 minus square root 15, which is raised to power x, plus another term is 4 minus square root 15, which also raised to power x, and the equals to 8. Now by using the concept of indexes or formula of the indexes, here we can distribute the powers for both numerator and the denominator. 1 raised to power x is 1, and 4 minus square root of 15 raised to power x plus 4 minus square root of 15 raised to power x, this equals to 8. Here are the similar terms. 4 minus square root of 15 raised to power x are there in the both terms. So put, for simplicity, put 4 minus square root of 15 is another variable raised to power x, right? All terms is considered as another variable, let us suppose y. Now our equations will become these equations will be become here 1 over y plus y is equal to 8, or taking the LCM, 1 plus y square is equal to 8y, or by this is the quadratic equations in y. This can be written as y square minus 8y plus 1 equals to 0. By solving these equations, we get the value of y, two values, because it is a quadratic in nature. So the value of the y is minus b plus minus under root b square. Here the b is minus 8, b square minus 4 ac upon 2 into a. By simplifying, we get 6 plus 8 plus minus square root of 64 minus 4 is 60 over 2. We are taking the 2 as a common. 4 plus 2, 15 square root of 15, this we get. Here the value of, therefore the value of the y are the here the two values. One is 4 plus square root of 15 and the another is 4 minus square root of 15. Taking one values at once. Now taking one value, first of all taking y is equal to 4 plus square root of 15. Then our equations will becomes, here our assumption is 4 minus square root of the 15 is raised to power x is equal to y. So first of all put the value of y in this equation. Now the equations becomes 4 minus square root of 15 which is raised to power x is equal to y. The value of the y is here taken 4 plus square root of 15. Or for changing the same basis, for simplicity, 4 minus square root of 15 raised to power x and the 4 plus square root of 15 can be written as 4 plus square root of 15 can be written as 1 over 4 minus square root of 15. This can be written as 1 over 4 minus square root of 15. And or by cross multiplying 4 minus square root of 15 raised to power x and this raised to power 1, and by the using the concept of indexes, the power if the basis will be same then the power will be added. Here the power of this is x and this one is 1, so the x plus 1, here is the 1 term 1. So 4 minus square root of 15 raised to power x plus 1 equal to 1 is 4 minus square root of 15 raised to power 0. So this can be written as 4 minus square root of 15 raised to power 0. Here is the base, here are the bases are the equal, so we can equate the power. This implies x plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of the x is minus 1. One value of the x is minus 1 and the another is here. First of all, we take the positive value for the y and then we get the value of the x is taken as a minus 1. Similarly, for y is equal to 4 minus square root of 15, we get another value. I directly by substituting the values of y as a 4 minus square root of 15, we get value of another value of x is equal to 1. Process is same here. Finally, we get the values for x is a plus minus 1 by solving these exponential equations by using the concept of conjugates as well as the concept of indexes. Thank you.